In the previous video, I discussed variables and data types, the theory of variables and data types. In this video, I will show you the execution of those variables and data types. Variables क्या होते हैं? I have already discussed. Variables are the containers that store data value. Let's see. A equals to 7. I have written a equals to 7. A क्या है? A is the variable. I have used the assignment operator equals to and initialize the value 7. तो a equals to 7 लिखा. Now let's print the value of this. For that I have print function. Print parenthesis में the name of the variable for which I have to print the value. तो print a will print the value of a and the value of a is 7. तो run करने के लिए I will press shift plus enter. It is giving error. Why it is giving error? Because I have used two closing parenthesis and one open parenthesis. So let me correct it. Now it is correct. One closing parenthesis and one open parenthesis. Shift plus enter. Output is 7. Python is a case sensitive language. Let's see. अगर मैं यहाँ पर print को capital letters में देती हूँ. Let's print in capital letters. Print A. Now press shift plus enter. It is giving error. Error क्यों दे रहा है? Print is not defined. Print is not defined. Capital letters में नहीं देना. You have to write in lower case. You have to write in lower case because it is a case sensitive language. Now it is not giving any error. The output is 7. That is the value of A. Let's see another example. B equals to 5.3. Print B. Let me print the value of B and it gives 5.3. Now suppose I want to know the data type of B. Here in Python I have not mentioned the data type neither of A nor for B. क्योंकि Python automatically sets the data type by seeing the value. 5.3 initialize करी तो Python automatically B का data type क्या कर देगा? Float, because it is a decimal value. Now I want to see the data type of B. For that there is a predefined function type. So print type B means print the data type of variable B. Shift plus enter. The output is class float. Means the data type of the variable B is float and it belongs to class float. Float is a class to which this variable B belongs. If you want to see the data type of variable A, which is integer, so for that I will write print type A. Parenthesis में variable का नाम for which I want to print the data type. Shift plus enter and the output is class int. Means the variable A belongs to class int. Integer is the data type of variable A. Let's see some more examples. I have taken another variable S in which I have initialized the value hello world within the double quotes. Here I have taken single quotes by mistake. Let me correct it. Yes, in the double quotes I have print hello world. It is a string variable and print S. The value of S will be printed. Either you can press shift plus enter to run or you can press this button also. Run this cell. So the output is hello world. So I want to know the data type of the variable S. So I will write print type S and shift plus enter. The data type of variable S is str. It belongs to class str and it is of string data type. Now in the previous video I told you कि you can put the string in single quotes as well. तो single quotes में हम इसको लिखते हैं. हमने लिखा hello world single quotes में. Now let's see, run it again, shift plus enter. Hello world. It is not giving any error. कोई error नहीं है. Single quote में it is working. Now let me give two double quotes. Two double quotes. Let me see, and shift plus enter. Now it is giving error, invalid syntax, because two double quotes are not allowed. Now let me give three single quotes. Let me give three single quotes, and now let me run it. It is not giving any error, means either double quotes or single quotes or single quote triple times. You can use single quote triple times in Python. It will not give any error. It is working. It is giving the output hello world. Let's see another data type, which is list and tuple. In sequenced data, we have list and tuple as the data types. The theory I have discussed in the previous video, you can watch it there. तो सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं list 1 का example. list 1 is the variable name. list 1 क्या है? variable name है. list is the data type. list 1 is the variable name, in which I have initialized few items. The string is given in the double quotes like mango and apple, and the other number like integers are given normally within the square brackets. Now let me print this. Print, it should be in lowercase, print list 1. Let's see what is the output. Shift plus enter. The output is 5, 6, apple and mango. So this is it is just printing the values of values or items of the variable list 1. Let me give it in single quotes. Suppose if I give it in single quotes, what happens? Let's see. Single quotes में दिया apple and mango. Shift plus enter, you get the same output. So you can give the string either in the double quotes or the single quotes, no problem. Now let me print the data type. Print type list 1. Now run, I am running it from here. Here it is this button to run this particular cell. Whatever I am writing here, this is called as cell, C-E-L-L cell. Now to run this cell, I am pressing this button and the output is class list, means it is printing the values of the variable list 1 and the output is class list 1. List is the data type which belongs to the class list. Now let's see tuple. So here I have written tuple 1. Tuple 1 is the name of the variable, and I have initialized few values like Python, Java, C and C++, which are in the tuple and given in parentheses, round brackets. Now let's print it. Print tuple 1. What is the output? Output is the values in single quotes, and these parentheses are optional. Let's see. Let me remove this. अगर हम ये single parentheses हटा देते हैं और रन कर कर देखते हैं तो देखते हैं आउटपुट आएगा या नहीं. Yes, it is coming. So round brackets, or you can call it as parentheses, are optional in Python. Let's print the data type also. I have written this line, print type tuple 1. Now run it. For running, I'll press shift plus enter and the output is here the list or items of the tuple and class tuple, the data type of this particular variable tuple 1. What is the difference between list and tuple? I have already discussed it in the previous video. You can watch it there. Now next data type is mapped data or the dictionary. For that the data type is dict, D-I-C-T. Here I have taken DICT1, that is the variable name for the dictionary, and it is dict1. Here I have taken the values name Sakshi, age 25, can vote true in curly brackets. The dictionary में जो values होती हैं, they are in the form of key value pairs. Name is the key, value is Sakshi. Age is the key, 25 is the value. Can vote is the key and the value is true. So key value pairs in curly brackets separated by comma. Now let's print these values. So print and the name of the data type, the name of the variable, dict1. It is giving error. Let's see why. Here it is written true is not defined. Error जो है वो है true is not defined, means कि true variable में कोई दिक्कत है. हाँ, the t is small. It should be in upper case, that is capital T if I write, and now I run it, shift plus enter. Now it is not showing any error. The output is name Sakshi, age 25, can vote, true. So these were the few data types which I have discussed in my previous video. You can check the data type of this variable by yourself. Print type dict1 by using the type method. Now these are the data types which I have discussed. These I am running in Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook पर मैं ये सब run कर रही हूँ, and I'll make a separate video on how to install it.